Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan empanadas. First, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of warm water and 1/2 cup of melted vegan butter or oil. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead for about 5 minutes, then let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, let's create our savory filling. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, cooking until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Stir in 1 cup of finely chopped bell peppers and 1 pound of plant-based ground. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, breaking up the ground as it browns. Then, mix in 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika, ground cumin, and dried oregano. Now it is time to assemble these delightful parcels. Divide your rested dough into small portions and roll each one out into a circle, about 5 inches in diameter and 1/8 of an inch thick. Place about 2 tablespoons of the cooled filling in the center of each disc, leaving a clear border. Fold the dough over to form a half-moon shape, then seal the edges firmly with a fork, creating a beautiful, tight crimp. Finally, let's bake and enjoy our creations. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the assembled empanadas on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For a beautiful golden crust, lightly brush the tops with a plant-based milk wash, like almond or soy milk. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Serve them warm and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.